Welcome to the WhatsApp Automation series. You are watching how to automate customer support on WhatsApp for Business and Shopify Store. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook account, which is the first and most important step if you want to create a Meta Business profile or Meta Business Manager. First, open Google on your browser and search for facebook.com. Once the website appears in the search results, simply open it. If you're using a mobile phone instead of a desktop, you can also download the Facebook app from the Play Store or App Store and open it from there. When the Facebook page loads, you'll see an option that says Create New Account. Go ahead and click on that button to start creating your account. Now, Facebook will ask you to enter some basic information. Start by typing your first name and then your surname. After that, select your date of birth by choosing the month, date, and year from the options provided. Next, choose your gender from the available selections. After entering these details, Facebook will ask for your mobile number or email address. You can enter whichever one you prefer or whichever you currently have access to, because Facebook will send a verification code there. Once you've entered your phone number or email, create a password for your account. Make sure the password is strong enough to keep your account secure, but also something you can remember easily. Now, click on the Sign Up or Submit button to continue. After this, Facebook will send a confirmation code to the phone number or email address you just entered. Go ahead and check your messages or inbox, copy that code, and paste it into the verification box on the screen. Then, click on Continue, and within a few seconds, your account will be verified. And that's it! Your Facebook account has now been successfully created, and you'll be redirected directly to your Facebook profile. From here, you can complete your profile information, explore the settings, and most importantly, use this account to create your Meta Business profile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple guides about Meta Business and Shopify. I'll see you in the next video.